In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete Instagram account from mobile browser. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now after you've opened the browser, tap on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in instagram.com and search for it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Instagram. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So in order to delete your account, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the profile interface. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings over here. You'll be able to find various options. Tap on this option, account center, that you can see at top. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the account center interface of Instagram. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is tap on the option manage accounts that you'll be able to see on this screen. Find the account that you want to delete and tap on the option manage that you can see on that particular account. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. At second, you'll be able to find this option for deactivation or deletion. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be able to deactivate or delete your Instagram account. Tap on this option delete account that you can see on the screen. Keep in mind, deleting the account is permanent. All of your Instagram data and information will be deleted. So tap on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see the informations that will be deleted. Tap on the option continue. Now what you have to do is simply specify the reason of deletion and tap on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Before you delete your account, if you need the information, make sure to export it. For that, you can tap on this option export info. Now tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to confirm the deletion. You can also see the date of the deletion over here. So tap on this option delete account that you can see on the screen. Now for security reason, you'll have to enter your password. Tap on the field of password. Now enter your password over here. Now tap on this option continue. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here you'll be logged out of your account and your account will be scheduled for the deletion. So that is how you delete Instagram account on mobile browser. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.